Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing a very useful skill for anyone working with measurements: how to convert meters to feet and inches directly within Excel. Ever found yourself struggling to quickly convert metric measurements into the imperial system? We all have. Whether you're working on a DIY project, designing a space, or analyzing data from international sources, this is a trick that will save you time and effort. In this video, we're going to break down a simple formula that lets you convert meters to feet and inches without any complex calculations or relying on external websites. We'll walk through each step, explaining the logic behind the formula, and even give you some bonus tips for customizing the output to your specific needs. So stick around, grab your laptop, and let's dive into the world of Excel conversions. But before we get started, if you're new to Rome Tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future Excel tips and tricks. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Alright, let's jump into Excel. Okay, so here in Excel, let's say we have a column with measurements in meters. I've got some sample data here: 2.5 meters, 1.8 meters, 3.1 meters, and so on. Our goal is to convert these values to feet and inches in separate columns. First, let's convert meters to feet. Excel actually has a built-in function for this. We're going to use the convert function. In the cell next to your first meter value, type =convert. Now, Excel needs to know what you want to convert. Select the cell containing the meters value, e.g. A2. So the function should now look like =convert, A2.
Next, tel Excel voiture reconverting astérisque from astérisque.
Type M for meters inside quotation marks. So now it's =convert, A2, M, comma. Finally, tell Excel what you're converting to. Type feet for feet inside quotation marks. Close the parenthesis. The complete formula should look like this: =convert, A2, M, FT. Press Enter. Boom. You have the value in feet. Now, just drag the corner of the cell down to apply the formula to the rest of your data. Great, we have the value in feet. But what if you want to display it as feet and inches? We need to do some more magic. This requires a bit more formula magic, but it's totally manageable. We'll be using a combination of int, mod, and a bit of math. In the next column, type the following formula. We'll break it down in a second. =int convert, A2, M, FT, and FT and int mod convert, A2, M, FT1, *12 and in. Press Enter. You should now see your result in the format xFTY in.
Let's break down what is happening.
*convert, A2, M feet. This part we already know. It converts meters to feet, including the decimal portion. *int convert, A2, M feet. The int function takes only the integer part of the feet value. This gives us the whole number of feet. *in feet, and this joins the whole number of feet with the text feet. Note the spaces around feet for formatting. The AND is the concatenation operator. *mod, convert, A2, M, FT1. The mod function returns the remainder after a division. In this case, we're dividing by 1, so it gives us the decimal part of the feet value. For example, if you had 5.75 feet, this part would give you 0.75. *mod, convert, A2, M feet, 1, *12. We multiply the decimal part of the feet by 12, because there are 12 inches in a foot. This gives us the value in inches, but it's still a decimal. *int mod convert, A2, M, FT1, *12. Again, we use int to take only the integer part of the inches value, discarding any decimal places. * and in. Finally, we join the whole number of inches with the text in. And that's it. Drag the formula down to apply it to all your cells. Now, you might want to round the inches. You can do that by wrapping the int mod, *12 part of the formula in a round function. For example, to round to the nearest inch, you would use =int convert, A2, M, FT and FT and round mod convert, A2, M, FT1, *12 0 and in. The 0 in the round function indicates rounding to 0 decimal places, whole numbers. So there you have it. A quick and easy way to convert meters to feet and inches in Excel. This technique can be adapted for other conversions as well, so feel free to experiment. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more Excel tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below what other Excel tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy Excel ing!